So today I'd like to showcase a little app idea which I created a while ago, and it utilizes QR code tracking and a training scenario to show you that the training apps in VR can be used for all kinds of possibilities. So first of all, let's start by opening the app, and you can just think of the QR code that we're scanning like a QR code from your training catalog. So I'm scanning the QR code and it makes an UI appear. And this UI is held as simple as possible. To just show an example, this can be everything. Depending on your QR code, I chose a car because, well, why not? And you can do everything like going around, stand up, look into the car. Okay, that's the car. Here's the car. Here's the interior and everything. It's not perfectly organized, but it's working. So that would be actually pretty good for instance, for sales, for car sales, showroom, etc. You can open the doors, you can like animate it, you can take a virtual test drive or something, but you can do many more things. For instance, if you're a car manufacturer, you want to know about the interior of the car, you can, for instance, show things like what kind of profiles are in this car and where are they. So I'm just having a profile here. I can look at it, I can inspect it. Okay, that's the profile. And here is an image, maybe some information about the profile, like the length and so on, and the depth, and where is it in the car. And I can also show and hide the X-ray. And one of the cool things is it doesn't have to be limited to one profile. You can actually choose more profiles. And of course, the data you see here is absolutely made up, so it's not realistic at all. But one thing that people often forget and they are rarely using when dealing with XR is that, let's put this aside, if you have this inside your car, you can actually stand up and put your head inside the car and you can see where this profile is used, how the measurement is and everything else. It's like cutting through the material and checking what is going on here. And that's something, although it requires you to stand up and move around, is something that not every app can do. Even on a PC or on a flat screen, it doesn't look that great. And it also gives you some kind of information. Okay, this is like this big. It's like placed in here. Okay, you can maybe see it from the inside and so on. So even from the perspective of someone who's building a car, this actually makes a lot of sense in giving you a sense of, okay, what parts are used where. And the third use case you can use this for is, like, maybe you're the manufacturer of these profiles, and you want to showcase it to your employees or to your trainees. Okay, this is profile X and we want to use it here and there, and then you can also create a big training catalog, and only with QR codes that are most of the time already existing, like from some kind of CRM systems or so, and augment it to a way that you can say, okay, we're using this there, and this is what the final product looks like. So yes, leveraging XR, MR, pass-through, and everything else for training applications can be pretty useful. And well, that's it for this short showcase. I may be going to open source this, I don't know yet. We'll see. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, there is a channel membership you can subscribe to on YouTube. There is a Patreon site, and I recently added a coffee page where you can buy me a coffee if you don't want to go for a monthly commitment on YouTube or on Patreon. And thank you for support. Leave a few comments down below how you would use this training app and how you would leverage the power of XR for training in various companies or in various industry sectors. And then I'd say I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.